Yes.
Alright, we've been waiting for like half an hour.
Wait for it.
This fucker is the only one that's taking the bait. Alright, we got... There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about.
Wait.
Oh, come on, Charlie. Come on, Charlie. Get in on this.
Wait
there we
for
go.
it. It's the granddaddy. He's back.
Oh, there we go. Frederick, nice to join us. Just get on the towel.
They're scared of the towel.
Not scared of the towel. They're hesitant. Uh-oh, here we go. The troops are coming in.
They're so in right now.
Oh, yeah. That's
Fucking...
so you got 5 right next to you. So great.
Hey, let it be. Let it be.
Hey,
let it be.
Wait. What?
Yes. Okay, now back away. You just threw.
Brilliant.
All right, stop. Just like that.
Now back away.
You don't even have to move. Those things they got no fear. They'll come up there and just
Yes,
yeah.
This is going to be so great.
oh, come on. That's why they're on
Why won't they get on the towel?
They will. They will. They'll get hungry enough.
Hey. Now move away and they'll come up.
Yeah. Yeah, they will. They know they're there now.
They just have to get brave enough to get on the towel. That's it. You got like 6 of them by you.
Don't be shy, little guy.
Oh, wait. Number 6.
Land on the towel. Land on the towel.
They know something.
God damn you people.
But they always fall for it after a while.
Where'd that other seagull go? Give up, John.
Tired of holding the camera. There we go.
Don't move. Patience, patience. Oh my God. That one will jump right into your gut here in a minute. Wait. Now! Now!
Oh, brilliant!
Oh man, that's amazing! Take a picture. Take a picture.
I got a video, dude.
My God! You want me to let it go? Here, you hold it. Hang on. Hey, get a picture with.
Just toss them up in the air. It was so worth it.
That was awesome.